Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to sum all odd numbers in Excel. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. To sum up all the odd numbers, first we need to determine which cells they are in. To do this, we use the isOdd function in the additional column. This function will return the value true if an odd number is found or false if not. When all the odd numbers are found, we add them up. To do this, we use the SUMIF function. The first argument is the range to which the summation criterion will be applied. This is a range with true and false values. The second argument is a criterion for summation. In this case, it's true. And the third argument is the summation range. Press enter and all these cells with odd numbers are summed up. This method is good to use if you have only one column with data, but if you have a large range of values from which you need to sum only the odd numbers, then it's better to use the following formula. This formula works very simply. Using the mod function, we determine in which cells we have odd numbers, namely any number that, when divided by 2, gives a remainder of 1, is called an odd number. Next, an array of data with the values true and false is created, where the true value is odd numbers and the false is not odd numbers. And then the range with numbers is multiplied by an array with the values true and false, and if we multiply any number by true, we get the same number, then if we multiply by false, we get 0. Next, the usual summation occurs and we get the sum of only the odd numbers in this range. That's all. Now we know to more. Thanks for watching.